Okay, this 1,000-piece puzzle is completed. Whew, it took a long time because I actually was relaxed. But today I had a little stress. Well, the last 2 days there's been some family issues going on and they're touching my heart very much. And I mean, I finished the top part, what was left, in a matter of maybe 5 minutes. So that's what I learned. I learned puzzles work good with me when I'm stressed. When I'm relaxed, it takes forever. I guess my mind is relaxed. It's like, nope, we don't need to do this. But I have my last puzzle of the year that I'm going to do, a 500-piece Santa. And I may, like I said before on Instagram, I may put this one, I'm pretty sure I'm going to put it on the board because, I keep doing it over and over. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, let's go on. Guys, here it is decorated. I did put a lot of bulbs on there and I had more to put on. Now if you see my carpet, it's not dirty because I did clean it, and it just needs to be vacuumed right now. So I have to say apologize for that. But let's get started on what's on this tree at the bottom of the tree. Because it's on a stool and I was trying to hide the stool, I put this tinsel stuff there. It looks good better in person. And it has a big gap here. Maybe next year I might buy another one. So in the gaps I put these Christmas trees that I had a while back. That's how big the gaps are. So let's start with what my new purchase for the year 2020 is. This one here. Ta-da! The camper, happy camper. I have that sign in my automobile. And then let's go to the past real quick. The snowman that I made, I think last year. And yeah, last year. And then I made the little bell the year before. I was really not feeling it, but trying. And then up above is my two kitties. The orange one is Nugget. The black one is Midnight. Then we go over here to Hubby. I made it to 2020. Sometimes you don't think you will, but you will. Just keep on trying, Lord, and stuff is always going to happen. New things always happen in life. That's what it's about. And this was our first Christmas together when I bought that one. When I really got into it. This is, of course, me. This is the black cat, Midnight. That's gone. And my other new one, so 2020 is new, the camper is new, and this one is new. Ooh, yeah, like chocolate, right? Okay, just kidding. Oh, I have this one here that, I want to say her name is not Susie. Oh, goodness. I can't think of her name. She sent me that. Anyway, this is my husband's. Who is that? Oh, and this one right here, this little special one I almost missed. I'm a caregiver, so I'm on the front line. This was not this year, maybe last year. Me and this lady, we really hit it off real well. She gave me that and a nice perfume bottle, a fancy one. I would not be buying perfume to put in, but